A big rivalry game tonight as Vestavia Hills visits Hoover for the 50th year in a row. And some action right now from the start here as Vestavia kickers William Shirley perfectly executes an onside kick. You don't see that often in a high school game, putting the Rebels in business. And they go from here, marching down the field as Houston Owen, a linebacker, takes the direct snap, drove off the right guard, gets in there, Rebels up 7-0. But back and forth here, Hoover getting in on the scoring. Quarterback Philip Smith floats one up to Caleb Jackson with the extra point. Hoover tied it up in the second as those Bucks go on to win 20-14. Some more scores here. Hewitt taking over Tuscaloosa County 35-7 as Chelsea gets the win tonight 21-7.